stop saying more fast and more slow. Yes, guys, many Tamil and Hindi speakers, they use more fast and more slow, which is incorrect. The correct one is faster and slower. The reason behind this one is it is a comparative degree. ये comparative degree है, इसलिए हम when we compare two things, okay, so when we compare two things, A with a B, okay, we have to use fast becomes faster, slow becomes slower, okay. So anything you compare A with a B, you have to use ER in the sentence, okay, ER in the sentence with the word, okay. So for example, you are comparing the building, so you have to say like, you are comparing two buildings, okay. So when you're comparing two buildings, so taller, this building taller than that building, okay, taller, okay, bigger, okay, speak slower, okay. When you compare something, you have to use or read slower, okay, write slower, okay, so drive slower, work slower, okay. So when you compare something, okay, with the A and the B, okay, with the A and the B, you have to use like that. हम कभी भी कंपेयर करने से हम क्या करने का है, ER यूज करने का है. दो चीजों को कंपेयर करें तो ER यूज करने का है. Okay, Tamil speakers, when we compare two things, okay, ரெண்டு compare பண்ணிட்டோம்னா A with a B, நம்மள என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும், அந்த word கூட ER கண்டிப்பா யூஸ் பண்ணணும். எதுக்குன்னா நம்மள compare பண்றோம், okay. So when we compare, okay, you need to keep in your mind, when you compare, always use ER, comparative degree. இதுக்கு comparative degree சொல்லுவாங்க. So comparing means you have to use ER, okay. So ER with A with a B. Keep it in your mind, compare A with a B. Okay, so these things will help you, you can plan more things and keep in your mind, like, when we compare, okay, with A with a B, anything, okay, A with a B, you have to keep in your mind ER, okay, A with a B, ER, okay. So anything comparing, keep in your mind ER to be added with the word, okay. So yeah. So we'll see in the next class में पाकला, okay बा. So yeah, तो next class में learn करते हैं. लेकिन आज अगर आप कुछ भी learn कर दिए तो when you have learned something, you just write faster, okay, faster, okay. So faster in the comments, so that I will get motivated to teach more and more, so that you can learn and I'll get motivated, and all this happens, okay.